Welcome to the selling page of the Ford Transit 2005. It's the Tran 350L TD High 4D. I don't know what the 4D stands for, to tell you the truth. I'm presuming it's a 4-cylinder diesel. Common rail engine, very common and very reliable as well. You're looking at the external cupboards, if you will, on the outside. That's the Thetford toilet cassette. Of course, you'd recognise the driving cab, very tidy, and the seat covers, yes, they do come with the van. Hot water supplied from driving the van. You make your own hot water, and then it can be linked to the 240 volt. The blue box down the bottom was the Propex heater. The small square vent there is for it's the fan for the Iceco refrigerator, which is all brand new, and the whole unit was made. Back wing doors, and looking straight inside now, you see that it is quite spacious. There's quite a big table there which spins round and goes up and down, of course. You do get two fly screens completely with the van for the back door and the side door. That's where all your electricity comes from. And then you've got the 3-burner gas stove. This is very, very useful indeed. I mean, we've had all three going. The brand new tap, and then the sink, which of course drains away into the grey tank. The mileage is 259,781 kilometres, and the trip mileage is 267 there. We do have 3/4 of a tank of diesel, and the diesel in this, I think there's 80 litres, and it's doing 9.5 plus or minus a few per litre. That's kilometres per litre. We're in the toilet now, a little brush down there just in case you need it. Thetford toilet, of course, the shower, toilet paper holder and toothpaste, etc. holder there, brand new, and a very good sink, no draining once again, of course, into the grey water. The refrigerator, Iceco 83 litre, I believe, with a small, but that goes all the way to the back, that freezer compartment. There are two of these Synergy 225 amp hour batteries. They're 6 volts, so there's two of them, and they really do a sterling job. This is how you put the bed down if you're going to use the single beds. We haven't got it set up, nor have we had it set up for making the large double, but it only requires 3 or 4 pieces of MDF to go in between the seats, and of course you'll be able to turn it into one very large bed at the back. So the sizes for the beds are on the Trade Me website. You'll get them there. There are 6 of these high cupboards which are overhead, and here we have just some pictures that I took, the still pictures that you would see on Trade Me, just to remind you of what you have been looking at, and hope that we will see you very soon, I hope, on Trade Me, where the van is up for sale and selling now. Well, it may be sold by this stage, I don't know, but have a look anyway. Thank you, and bye for now.